Hey everyone! Looking for free video call apps on Android or iPhone? Here are 5 great options you should try. First, WhatsApp. It's simple, popular, and works on both Android and iOS. You get clear video calls, group calls, and strong privacy. Second, Viber. Great for international calls and group chats. It's secure, fun to use, and works on mobile and desktop. Third, Just Talk. Lightweight and completely free. HD calls, group chats, and fun features like stickers and doodles. Fourth, Telegram. Fast messaging with video calls and file sharing. Perfect if you already use Telegram for chatting. And fifth, Google Meet. Reliable and easy for group calls. Great for friends, family, or quick meetings. That's it. These are the best free video call apps right now. Like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.